How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed beautiful souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here with me on the channel. I appreciate every single one of you blessed and beautiful souls. And today we have got quite a cool project to show you. It has been quite a controversial project as well. And basically, it is a super project in my personal view and my personal opinion. But I'm just another YouTuber, just like BitBoy, just like the big boys, just like the old boys out there. And you know, at the end of the day, I'm really just relaying information here for the community and the channel, and I hope you guys can appreciate that, because yeah, it takes a lot of energy and a lot of effort to make these videos, from filming to editing to finding the researching it. You know, it takes a lot of time to do all of it. And at the end of the day, I'm doing this for the fun of it, because I love what I do in this Crypto Bliss beautiful channel. And of course, because I actually love crypto very, very much. And I've you know, for the past 2 years that I've been doing it, it makes me feel good, makes me feel happy, makes me feel like I'm very connected to a broader tribe across the world that are fighting for a higher purpose in this world, for decentralization. And freedom is essentially what it really comes down to. So I appreciate every single one of my beautiful subscribers out there, and thank you very much for being part of the community and the channel. Let us go and talk about the video right now. Okay, guys, so this video we're going to be talking about none other than a Shiba Inu. Okay, now let's go and talk a little bit about Shiba, and I want to just keep it open like this, because currently and finally Avalanche came back. And when I actually, so guys, I actually made this video for the channel on Friday, but my voice recording system was off. Clearly I just didn't push the power button, and essentially it messed up the whole video for me. So I just said scrap it, I'm going to redo the video for you guys. So here is the redo. So please, 10 thumbs up on the video would be really appreciated, because I went through all of that, just what I said to you in the intro of this video, twice for this video. And it's not the first time that it's happened to me, unfortunately. You know, these things do happen, especially when you really are just pumping, running, and doing all kinds of things in business. So guys, Avalanche is amazing. As the example, it's up 4.834, and Shiba Inu is now down at 4.4845, which is interesting. Okay, 762 is the price. It's up 3.9% in the past 24 hours. So let's go and have a nice, beautiful look at Shiba Inu and its metrics and its token metrics. Okay, guys. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about some very, very interesting stuff right here. Okay, so we go here, and we obviously know now that it's 18th. That's its logo. Shiba Inu is the name. SHIB is the token name, and it's 50762 in price, and 4% up for the day, up 3.8% against Bitcoin, up 3.8% against Ethereum. It's on nearly 600,000 people's watch lists. First point of call. Why would a shit token be on so many people's watch lists if it didn't have some sort of utility and functionality for the crypto space and the crypto community? Make sure to stay right to the very end, because I'm going to show you exactly what those points are. Okay, my personal view, this is a good crypto. It's a decentralized crypto, okay? And it is already being used in particular ways that Bitcoin intends to be used for its personal use. So I'm going to show you a few things. And never to say that it will surpass Bitcoin. Not in a million years. I don't believe that. And this is part of why. Okay, so currently, so first of all, I need you to know that Shiba actually burns tokens. So keep that in mind when I'm going through this with you. In total supply, there are nearly 1 trillion in coins. Circulation are now 590. They've already burnt a shit ton of these coins already. Okay, there are massive whales holding this coin, no doubt about it. And essentially the market cap is 4.4 billion right now. Trading volume is 122 million, and fully diluted is 7.6 billion, which is magnifique. Okay, so boom, boom. Bear in mind this, guys. So we are currently down 91% from the all-time high at 4086. Now let's go and have a look at this number right here. So that would be 4086. So in order for us to get to that similar price, that would give us a 10, let's just call it a 10x for now, okay? A 10x to that price. Okay, cool. So now we get a 10x to that price. Okay, What does that mean in terms of market cap? Well, that will give us a $44 to $45 billion market cap on Shiba Inu. Has it ever been there before? Yes, it has. Let's go and have a look. And I'm going to show you something very important here. So make sure to stay tuned and please smash the thumbs up for the video. I want to see 10 likes on the video, guys. Let's not play games anymore. So the all-time high market cap on this coin was sitting at $41 billion. Okay. So in order for us to get back up to that all-time high, so we're only 10x under the all-time high. That's not bad considering the nature of the coin that the entire crypto community actually shuns on this coin, because this coin actually has utility. Okay, I'm going to show you a few things again. So first of all, 762 to the 4 zeros, okay, give us a 10x on this coin of $45 billion market cap. Tick, achievable. Now let me show you something even more powerful, because from the all-time low, we are fucking 13.5 million% up from this measly all-time low. And look at where we currently are. And look at how it's at the point there at the end there that it's busy trying to make a new pointing to the upside. Okay, we found support on this level. That's where we found support on this price. Now we're here. What does that actually mean for this? Well, we're 13.5 million% up from the all-time low. Guys, let's be real here. If we just got back up to the all-time high, that's a 10x, $40 billion market cap. Let's go see what Shiba Inu does. Okay, so Shiba Inu has now Shibarium early beta testers live. So they've basically launched their Shibarium public beta, which was basically done in March. So today we begin the early beta of the Puppy Shibarium network, which we call PuppyNet. Now, okay, let's go and have a look at the ecosystem. The ecosystem is SHIBA, which is the native token, which is the token I've just been talking about, or SHIB is the main token of our ecosystem, bringing the power of decentralized community-led currency to millions across the world. Since the inception in late 2020, the Ethereum-based SHIBA token has grown to become worldwide phenomenon and is now accepted as a form of payment at hundreds of locations, either directly or through third-party intermediaries. In other words, you can go onto Amazon. I'm not saying Amazon directly, but there are plenty that you can go onto and use Shiba Inu to purchase something to the value of whatever at that point. Amazing. Okay. Second thing, Bone. It has a coin called Bone. It has a coin called Leash. Bone is the ecosystem's governance token, which is a total supply of 250 million. Bone was designed to allow the SHIB army to have its voice heard by voting on proposals via the Doggy DAO. Furthermore, Bone is the foundation upon which we built our ecosystem's proprietary layer 2 SHIBA network, Shibarium, okay, which is what I was talking about here. Now, Leash is the next coin. So Leash is a total supply of just 107,646 tokens. Leash is positioned as a special token for loyal supporters of the ecosystem, enabling hodlers or holders to benefit from the exclusive perks and access. Past examples have included incentivized Bone rewards for liquidity providers on Shiba Swap, exclusive access to Shiboshi NFT minting, as well as early access to SHIB, Metaverse, and sales. Okay. So it's decentralized. It's already used as a currency across the world in multiple locations, hundreds of locations. It has a decentralized or autonomous organization, meaning it's run by the community, like you and I, that own parts of it, okay, in the format of its tokens. And then when we use those tokens to stake, then we get more rewards, which give us more access to helping the ecosystem grow, which essentially is you helping your own money grow. So for those out there that actually, pull the shotgun on Shiba Inu and like say that it's a piece of shit coin, they're actually very mistaken, and they should be ashamed that they're saying things like that. Yes, everybody has their favoritism and everybody, but if you're coming into it emotionless, then you're coming into it knowing that what I've just read you is critically important as a Shiba holder, because not only do they have all of that, they have their own NFTs, okay? Here are their Shiboshis on OpenSea, and their Shiboshis are a floor price of 0.31 ETH, which is currently about $500 to $550 for one Shiboshi. Okay, that's the floor price. Now, not only does it have the Shiboshi NFT collection, and there's only 10,000 of those, even though they have a trillion coins, okay, they also have their SHIB yard, which is where you can come and purchase SHIBA land. Now, since I did these two videos on this video on Friday, the floor price has gone from this 0.27 ETH up to this 31 ETH. Okay, I saw that and I remember that on Friday because that's what happened. And the same thing here. This was down at about 6.7, yeah, 6.8 exactly. So it's gone up. So guys, in 2 days that I didn't manage to do this video for you again because I was spending time with my family yesterday, this is what happened. So if you guys don't believe that there is any fundamentals in Shiba Inu, think again. Okay. Now, I just want to be very realistic. It can go to the all-time high again, sharp, right? But can it make a new all-time high? And what do I believe that it could possibly do? Well, look, honestly, I would say at some point, if it continues to do what it's doing in the future, could it hit a $400 billion market cap? It probably could, which would give us 100x on the price. Okay, so for those out there who believe that Shiba Inu is going to go to in the next bull cycle to $1, forget about it. I'm telling you, forget about it. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, I'm just saying 100x in the next bull cycle for Shiba Inu. 10x, 100x takes us to 30762. Okay, if it had to go all the way further, that would make that a 10, so that's a 10x, 100x, 1,000x, 10,000x, 100,000x, 1 million x. So yes, even though it's done a 13.5 million%, a 1 million x is very different to that. A 1 million x is, I think it's 100 million%. Okay, it's not to say it can't do it. Okay, I'm not saying that. Maybe in the future, but if we go and have a look at Bitcoin and look at what Bitcoin's market cap is currently, it's at 588 billion. Shiba Inu cannot get at, I'm saying at 100x, we would have a $440 billion market cap. Okay. So Shiba Inu cannot do that in the next bull cycle. Forget about it. It's not going to happen. So the truth of the reality is that this coin will succeed. It will probably give you 100x in the next bull cycle, okay, probably getting to that point, but it's definitely not gonna, I mean, that would give us like a $40 trillion market cap just for Shiba Inu, just to get to the $1 price. Forget it. Not gonna happen. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate the video, then smash the thumbs up on the video and make sure to hit my Bybit link down below that you can trade this beautiful coin with me. I appreciate you and thank you for being here on the channel. If you're watching and haven't yet subscribed, then smash the subscription bell for the channel. Thank you very much. And remember, 1,000 subscribers by the end of July. One of you lucky subscribers will get some free crypto from me. Thanks for being here, you blessed, beautiful souls. Oh shit, we forgot to look at the chart. The most important part. Okay, well, I'm just going to leave that in there in the video. I was going to edit that out, but that ain't going to happen. So check it out. Check it out. Look at where we at, guys. Now, I just want to go and simply, in fact, yeah, let's just quickly look at the percentage from where we are to the top there. You see what I mean? 1,000% just to the all-time high. So doesn't mean, I honestly, I do not see that a $1 million, I mean, a $1 billion, market cap is about, a $40 trillion market cap is about to come. Yet, what did I do? Yeah, close for now. Don't worry about the RSIs and that. I'll get them back on. But let's go and have a look at the charts down here because that's where I want to see for you guys. So first of all, check it where we're at. We're at a bottom. That's a bottom. That's a bottom. Double bottom. Okay. Now look at where we're at on the daily. Okay. Let's go put our RSI back on because especially I want the RSI back on. Okay, pull you down, pull you down, pull you down. Where is it? Where is my RSI? Okay, it's not coming for now. Don't worry about it. So here, so we're under the resistance level, but guys, we're about to break out. Now, if you guys remember on the chart, my last Shiba Inu video, go check it out there. You'll see that I actually drew this bear flag with this pole from the top to the bottom there, and look at the target, how we just missed it by like 50 points, okay? That's what I meant. When you look at things, you can see things very clearly in the chart. Now, for me, my personal view, my personal opinion is we're going to make a break out of this. We're probably going to want to come test this zone here, maybe back up there initially, okay? That's going to be the first level because you can see there's a shit ton of resistance above us, guys. So it's time for this to consider a little journey around and essentially getting to the top of the wedge here. This descending pattern would be the top of the take profit, especially because it's up here at this resistance level. So Shiba Inu has a long way to go, but bull cycles also take long. Please remember that. Thanks for watching. And just remember, Shiba Inu will do very well, especially when you're going to trade it against Bitcoin, because if you trade it against Bitcoin, getting back to those small resistance levels, sorry, we need the percentage. Why is it not giving me a percentage? It's just giving me points. Okay, the percentage from there to there is 123%. And then to the top, okay, I don't know if it'll ever outperform Bitcoin. I really don't. I don't think so, but 342%, okay, against Bitcoin. Now, you could make that against Bitcoin if you're holding Shiba. You could 3.2x your money, or even 1.2x at the minimum, your Bitcoin. Well, and that's the point. Collect Bitcoin, right? By the way, excuse me, I actually mentioned in the title of the video, if you were to take $100 today and buy SHIBA, so actually, since I did the video, you know, I've lost 800,000 coins if I was to buy today instead of Friday. But basically, this is 13 million coins. Now, guys, I own about $300 worth of SHIBA. Okay, so if I can have a look at that, that's about, yeah, about 40 million coins. But I didn't buy it at this low. I bought it at previous lows that were pretty much around this level. So I think actually my personal accumulation on this is about 33 million, not 39 million. But basically what I wanted to show you is that you can, that's the reason why I was saying you could 10x your money, okay? Because $300, 10x is $3,000, $100, 10x is $1,000. And that's what I'm talking about in the title of the video. And for you guys, you know, to invest $100 and convert your $100 into your 10x to $1,000 just to the all-time high, it's pretty doable with Shiba Inu. Now, I said it would do 100x, which would convert your $100 into $10,000. So I do still think it's going to do that. But I would just say be patient, wait for it, and just dollar cost average small amounts into the coin. Guys, it's a good coin. Thanks for watching and appreciate you all, you blessed souls.